What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So it's been a little bit since we did a hat haul, and I have accumulated a few things. One I grabbed off of eBay, and several that I grabbed off of lids. We're talking Astros limited editions. We've got Memorial Day, we've got Father's Day, we've got Mother's Day, we've got Saints training camp hats, we've got other Saints hats, and we've got a special Chief Wahoo. So we're going to throw these on, see how they look on head, see how they fit, and just check them out. Let's kick it. So, take off what I'm wearing now. Batting practice 920 mesh trucker Astros that I've had for a little while now. We'll get that out the way, but first things first. HiViz yellow Chief Wahoo. May Chief Wahoo rest in peace, Cleveland Indians. Now, I don't like this on the back, stitched in raised lettering Cleveland, but it's a 950 snapback. New era. Standard high crown. I do quite like my Chief Wahoo hats, and yeah, the lighting, the natural lighting in here, because all the windows are directly behind this, where this camera's at. But see if I can get a little bit closer and show you guys. Yeah, Chief Wahoo, one of the greatest logos in the history of sports. I don't care what anybody says. I love my Chief Wahoo hats, and when I came across this, I love HiViz yellow, high visibility yellow, neon yellow. One of my favorite colors to wear, a very summertime color. I saw this. I've never seen this before. I had to have it. New Era flag on the side. Again, the only thing I don't care for is the raised lettering on the back. Aside from that, this is a badass hat, black and gray. You have the gray button, heathered gray button on the back, gray snap enclosure, heathered gray brim, the gray under visor. Chief Wahoo, HiViz yellow, black and white. You can't go wrong. Now, as far as a random Saints hat, let me pull this out the plastic for you. I happened to see this, and I was like, you know what? I feel like I need that. Do I really need it? No, I got a ridiculous amount of hats. But this is a grayed out Tropic hat, 47 cleanup adjustable from New Orleans Saints. I just felt like it was a necessity all the way around. I'll go ahead and size it real quick. And here we go, sized accordingly. Perfect fit. Yeah, that's a crisp and clean look right there. Gray tones, black and white. Yeah, this hat's its own vibe right here. This is a great summertime look, I think, especially living at the beach like I do. It very much fits the tone. I wear a lot of these dad hats these days, which is what these are basically considered, these 47 cleanups. And yeah, I just had to have it when I saw it. It's a unique Saints hat that I don't have already. So yeah, I know they have other teams, but yeah, Tropics 47 Saints. On to the training camp hats. So this is the new 970, I believe. No, this is the 940. So, because I did grab the 940. Here we go. White stretch snap 940. Have the shield on the back. Saints color stitching at the top with the Vegas gold. White snap enclosure. Black undervisor. Let's get it sized up. I believe this should do it. One snap back. Nope. Especially with it being stretchy like this, I have to go even tighter with it, which I don't like because that means it's going to bunch up in the rear. So I may not like the fit of this hat, yeah, because I got to go even tighter than that. So yeah, I don't like this hat. I don't like this hat. I'm having to go super close on it because it's a stretch 940. I don't own a stretch 940. I wanted to give it a shot and try it out. I'll never buy one again. Look, it's comfortable. It's super comfortable, but the back, I can't see it, but I can sure feel it. It's super bunched up. I don't like that. I sure don't. New Era flag on the side. It's comfortable. It stretches, you know. Not that I need it to. I could see how that would benefit those with like dreads and you know, longer hair, thicker hair, things like that. I don't have those issues. It's a comfortable fit, you know. You can see, love the color scheme of it. I took a shot. I figured I'd try it out. I don't like, it might have to grow on me. Like, it's comfortable, but that kind of stuff bothers me when I got to do the enclosures too close together and it bunches up in the rear on a snapback. I don't care for that. But all in all, it is comfortable. I can't act like it's not. So the 940 stretch snap, New Orleans Saints training camp 2024. So this is the new 970, I believe it's called. Yeah, 970. It's a stretch snap as well, so naturally I'm immediately skeptical after trying the other stretch snap. But this is antimicrobial or something like that. Like there's some kind of antibacterial, antimicrobial, whatever thing that's special about the 970 material that they use. It's basically a low pro snapback trucker. Doesn't seem to be as stretchy as the other one, so this might be okay. Yeah, I don't have to snap close. I can snap it to my normal size. Okay, this one, I've got hope here. Yeah, that's way better. Oh yeah, that's a good feel. It's just enough flex. Like this is not near as stretchy. I like this a lot more. The New Era flag on the side. Sorry if the lighting's all jacked up. I got a lot of natural lighting today. I don't have any of my extra lighting on because the lighting's so bright. But yeah, see, this is where it's at. Okay, I can get down with the new 970s. Yeah, I like this because it doesn't have to bunch up at the back. So, because I'm buying a lot of snapbacks right now because I typically would get my 7 1/8, but 7 1/8 are floating on me right now. I'm sure you noticed I've lost a lot of weight. I'm cutting for a bodybuilding show, so my weight is way low, so I can wear 6 7/8 right now. I bought a Phillies hat that's a 6 7/8 recently, and it fits perfect. So 7s are the sweet spot right now, but when I go back to putting weight back on, I'll be able to wear my 7 1/8 comfortably again. So I'm trying not to buy any 5950s at the moment, even though, like when Crucial Catch and Salute Service roll around, I will get the 5950s. I don't miss on those every year. I will get my usual size, but I'm rocking snapbacks right now. It just makes more sense. It's adjustable. I can wear them now. I can wear them later. And this is actually quite the comfortable fit. So I don't plan on sweating a whole lot in this hat, so the new feature for it, not necessarily going to apply to me, but it is comfortable, and it is a very clean look. So this is the new 970 Saints Training Camp white stretch snap that's not that stretchy. And the final Saints hat, I have a lot of 920s, but the one I don't have is an all-white 920 Saints hat with just straight up gold stitched fleur-de-lis. I didn't have this, and they finally stocked them again. I've been waiting on them to come back in stock, so I went ahead and grabbed it. I figured, why not? This should be a little bit quicker and easier. These buckles are a lot easier to adjust, faster to adjust than the 47 brand cleanups. So a little too big. A little bit more and we'll be all right. Should be a good size right there. Let's see what we got. Yeah, it's a good size right there. Okay, I could go a little bit snugger, little bit more. See, that's the thing. This is more than I typically would adjust a hat. Like, look at that. That's how slender my head is right now and how much weight I have lost. But oh yeah, of what I've tried on so far, this is the best hat as far as comfort, look, style, versatility. You can literally wear this hat with anything, for anything. It is a clean all white cotton New Era 920 dad hat. Saints bright gold stitched outline in black. Man, this is an everyday hat right here. Look, nothing's everyday for me because I have a lot of variety when it comes to things, but this is that hat. Yeah, glad to finally add it to my Saints hat rotation. Got an all-white 920. Time for some holiday limited edition Astros. We got the Memorial Day Astros hat. I held off for a while. I ended up getting the 950, like I was saying, because if I would have bought my typical size of 7 1/8, I wouldn't even be able to wear it right now. So it's like, I hate to not get the 5950, but I didn't get the 5950, and I don't think they have my size left anymore either. But I'm cool with a 950. I like my 950s still. You know, that's a good look. I like my, olive army camo colors and stuff like that. It's a great look. The H with the star, with the additional stars. The Astros logo is great. And you have some digi-camo in the star in the back. This is a great hat. Olive under visor. You have the patchwork on the side. Nothing on the rear. This is a good looking hat. Granted, Memorial Day already passed. I just kind of held off because I wasn't sure. I wanted to wait for the training camp hats to do one hat order. And that's what ended up happening. But yeah, I really like this a lot. This is another hat that can go with anything. Anything black and camo and golds and stuff like that. Very neutral earth tones. You can wear whatever with those. Like I'm wearing this, Shout outs to the Orange Show, Arn Anderson, the Four Horsemen. You know, totally fine. Ideal combination? No, but it works. It works if you want it to work, right? Yeah, clean look. Love the hat. 2024 Memorial Day Houston Astros 950 snapback. And I felt like I needed the low pro. I really like the way this one looks. It's the Astros 5950 low pro Mother's Day. I got it in a size 7 because even a little heavier set, low pros, size 7 fits me better. Because 7 1/8 with 5950s, I have a little space by the ears, and they look weird on a low pro. So this might even be a little big. I don't know if it's perfect. Fits perfectly. And look, when I fill out a little bit more, no big deal. I'll use my hat jack, stretch it a little bit if I need to. But if I wear this one enough, get a little heat under it, and do this from time to time while I'm wearing it, it'll mold a little bit better. But this is really, really nice. It's navy, has the baby pink going, the baby pink under visor as well. MLB logo with the white and baby pink. You have the baby pink New Era flag. It just looks great. It just looks great. I love getting the Mother's Day looks because I love pink, just like I love HiViz yellow. I like the bright colors. I just do. This is such a great hat. Such a great lid. Man, I'm so glad I grabbed the Low Pro 5950. This thing fits perfect. I'm probably going to wear this hat today. I wish the lighting wasn't washing out the color like this. If I lean like this, I have a feeling the color is doing better. That's why I keep leaning like that so you guys can see it better, because when I go up like this, that natural lighting hits it a lot better over the monitor. Man, this is a good looking hat right here. Probably going to wear this one today. Yep. Mother's Day. 5950 low profile, Houston Astros. And last but not least, what's coming up? Shout outs to all the dads out there. We've been talking about dad hats. Houston Astros Father's Day 950 snapback. Look at the shade of blue that they went here. It's kind of an aqua blue, matching under visor. The New Era flag matches it as well. No patchwork or anything like that. Let's get this adjusted. Navy blue and like this aqua blue. It's a cool looking hat. It is. I like getting these limited edition annual hats, especially the Father's Day and Mother's Day ones, because the colors they use, the blues and the pinks. This is another really good looking hat. This goes totally fine with what I'm wearing today as well. Look, I love rocking Marlins stuff. When it comes to baseball, I don't really have a team, but in my heart, I grew up watching the Astros and the Braves, so that it is the two teams I root for. I did live in Houston for a few years, so I'm an Astros and then Braves fan technically, but I love logos when it comes to baseball. That's why I wear a lot of Marlins stuff, Florida Marlins, Athletics, things like that. But the go-tos for me, what I have the most of, Astros. This is my number one. If I had to pick a baseball team, I'm technically an Astros fan. So that's why you normally see me grabbing the Astros versions of these limited run hats that come out every year. And not every year do I grab all the stuff like the July 4th, the Veterans Days, the Memorial Days. I typically get the Father's Day and Mother's Day ones, not always, but most years I do. July 4th hats, love getting those. But yeah, this year they looked so good, these three, that I just had to, and got a variety of styles. I got two 950s and then the low pro fitted, but this is clean. I don't know which is my favorite of the three, but all three of these are fantastic. Color's not washing out as bad on this one, but yeah, so there you have it. Memorial Day, Mother's Day, and Father's Day. Houston Astros. This one in particular is Father's Day for 2024, 950 snapback. Well, there you have it, a quick hat haul. Appreciate you guys coming to check it out. Been a little bit since we did some hat content. We're getting into hat buying season for me, so you can go right back to an Astros hat. Getting back into hat buying season. We're in full sneaker mode right now. I told you guys that follow me on my fragrance channel that when the year started, when all those sneakers started getting announced, I said it's going to be a big year in sneakers for me. And all the announcements we have already for 2025. It's a great time to be a sneakerhead if you can afford to be one right now. They got some good stuff coming out left and right, so definitely check out the sneaker content. We'll have more of that. We're going to have some more hat content as these limited edition drops come out throughout the year. I don't know if I'll get any more custom drops like I was doing last year. But I appreciate you guys coming hang out. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe before you leave this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.